Former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Ajit Jogi passed away on Friday afternoon after suffering 2 cardiac arrests at private hospital. On May 9th, Jogi was admitted at the hospital after suffering a cardiac arrest at his home. He had since then remained critical and was on ventilator support. He suffered a cardiac arrest on Wednesday night as well. Ajit Jogi was also the first Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. A bureaucrat turned politician, Jogi had served as Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh from November 2000 to November 2003 in the then Congress government after the state came into existence. Jogi parted ways with the Congress party in 2016 after he and his son got embroiled in a controversy over a by-election. Later, he quit Congress and founded Janata Congress Chhattisgarh. The tension between India and China is intensifying, with troops from both the countries clashing in different areas along the 3,488-kilometer-long disputed border, especially in Ladakh since May 5th. US President Donald Trump had offered to mediate between India and China, but it has been rejected by both the countries, including China, as tensions over border dispute continue to rise. On Friday, sources in the Indian government also declined that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had spoken to Trump after US President reiterated his mediation offer. Responding for the first time to Trump's offer, Zhao Lijian, who is Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson, said that the two nations did not want the intervention from third party to resolve the military standoff between them. On May 22nd, a division bench headed by Justice J.B. Pardiwala of Gujarat High Court came down heavily on the state government and compared the Ahmedabad Civil Hospital to a dungeon. In a subsequent order of May 25th, the same bench said that it would pay a visit to the hospital, declining to give a state government a clean chit. Following, the bench was changed on Friday listing of matters. As notified on Thursday, the new bench will now be headed by the Gujarat High Court Chief Justice Vikram Nath, while Justice Pardiwala will be the junior judge in the bench. The judges had termed the civil hospital in Ahmedabad as good as a dungeon, maybe even worse. On Friday, top election strategist Prashant Kishore took a dig at Prime Minister Narendra Modi after US President Donald Trump comment on Modi's mood not great with China. Prashant Kishore took to Twitter and said, "We can all forget our worries as India seems to have truly arrived at the global stage. We now have President of the United States informing the world about the mood of our Prime Minister." Not only Prashant Kishore but many from the opposition also reacted to Trump's statement on Modi. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi demanded a transparency regarding the ongoing border tension between India and China. Rahul Gandhi tweeted, "The government's silence about the border situation with China is fueling massive speculation and uncertainty at a time of a crisis. Government of India must come clean and tell India exactly what is happening." India's gross domestic product growth slowed to 3.1% in the fourth quarter of the financial year 2019-2020, according to official data released on Friday, amid the ongoing coronavirus pandemic that has affected the economy. The GDP had expanded by 5.7% in the corresponding quarter of 2018-19, according to the data released by the National Statistical Office on Friday. In 2019-20, the Indian economy grew by 4.2% against the 6.1% expansion in 2018-19. The government imposed lockdown on March 25th to combat COVID-19. However, slowing down of business activities across the world in January to March impacted the Indian economy.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the